Today, I'm going to teach everyone how to play the card game Set. Set is a card game made up of 81 unique cards that was invented in 1974 by population geneticist Marcia Jean Falco, according to the Mathematicus Intelligencer. I'm a personal lover of any brain-stimulating games like Bananagrams and, of course, Set. I always like to play these games in the dorms or with my family. Like over winter break, I played Bananagrams for 3 days straight. For 3 days straight, and it was honestly the best 3 days of my life. But why am I sharing this with you, and why should you care? Well, the Alzheimer's Association says that 1 in 9 people aged 65 or older have Alzheimer's disease, including some people in my family. But in card games, like Set, are linked to larger brain volumes and better cognitive scores, according to Alzheimer'sResearchUK.com. Another great thing about Set and the brain is that Set requires you to use your whole brain, like your left brain and your right brain, in order to find sets. But what does that mean? Well, your left brain is logical thinking, which is very much used in Western society, and your right brain is spatial and intuitive thinking, which is a little bit more underdeveloped. So by playing Set, you really get to pick up on more creative thinking. But on setting up the game, you need only 1 or more players and a flat surface. And then you take 12 cards and lay them out like this, and then you start looking for sets. So how do you do that? Well, the most important part of Set are the 4 features of the cards, and that would be color, symbol, shading, and number. Your color being red, purple, or green, and your symbol being diamond, squiggle, or oval, and your shading being solid, striped, or open, and your number being 1, 2, or 3 symbols. Remember this, it's important. And according to setgame.com, the object of the game is to find a set that consists of 3 cards in which each individual feature is either all the same or all different. For example, on here the symbols and the colors are all different, but the shading and the number are all the same. But how can you win? Well, some strategies that I've learned over time are to look at the cards as they're being dealt and to focus on the similarities of the features. And to notice the cards that could be useful later on. And, of course, embrace your natural ability to detect patterns. And once you've accomplished all this, make sure you yell Set when you have found one and grab all your cards. So now I've given you each a card, and you're going to try and find a set with other people in the room, so if you guys want to get up.
Oh, thank you. I think you two. So, Bryn has one. Bryn, I think you have one actually. The green cards. You have one. You have a set. Because, yeah. Cool. Awesome. You guys have a set? No, because...
Oh, we probably could if someone else, like us two, if someone else had like a, oh wait, if someone else had squiggles that were solid.
Is that a set?
That's not one over.
That Garrett has?
Garrett has the set on his right hand.
It's right there. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Because they're all the same number, they're all the same shading, but they're all different colors.
Oh, I think you're right there.
Well, yeah, I think so.
Oh, wait, do we not have, what about him? He's squiggly.
He's squiggly. Okay, wait, what do you got? You got circle, and then... No, because you guys have the same pattern. Yeah, it's really weird. No, it's bad. Because it has to be all different or all the same in each category.
Okay.
Right.
What do you have? Katie? Oh, never mind.
Okay, you guys can all sit down. Well, I hope some of you guys found some sets. If not, it's totally fine. It took me forever to understand the game and trying to understand it in 4 minutes is definitely not enough time. My sister had explained to me over and over again. But that's not what I want you guys to get away from this, is to try and win the game. But it's to look up from your phones every once in a while, unless you're playing Set Mania, the app version of the game, and to play games with your family, because both of these contribute to a long and healthy life. And go out there and find sets.